I'm using the AR636 6-channel receiver. This particular airframe seems to be nose heavy, and I've got two 7-gram lead weights in the back, right about here on the vertical stabilizer inside. Alright, let's bring the gear down. And you can see I've painted the wheel covers and the spinner yellow so I can see it better. Got green light here and a red light on the far wing, and I've added blue lights for the position lights here. I don't think they're lit right now. It's hard to tell in the sunlight. Normally they're lit. I've got it set up with AS3X, safe, and off mode. Right now we've got a fairly stable, very light to no wind, but every now and then it kicks up. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, we're going to take off in AS3X mode. That was a little scary. Socket sticking straight out. We got about 15 mile an hour headwinds down the runway, looks like. A little bit of rock there.